Substitution.
2 minutes na po ang nalalabi dito sa fourth quarter.
Oo.
Buwalan versus
2 minutes and 1 second.
Sambuwood.
Fourth quarter.
5 puntos lang yung partner.
66,
He has to
61.
convert. Yes. That's a 4-point lead na lang po ang nalalabi. Oh. Pag na-convert niya yan, partner, 2 puntos na lang. Uy, tumatayo na sila. Yan, sumisigaw.
Oh, Polinario daw.
Pasok!
Oy,
Partner, 3 points na lang yan.
last 2 minutes is brought to you by
Yes.
Congressman Manix Dalipe and Mayor John Dalipe. Triple H Construction. Pati también el YN Builders.
Partner, Sambuwood, tumatakbo. Alam.
Oy!
Samang foul.
Foul by Bautista. Grabe ha, bale tatlong player ng Buwalan sinalubong si Alam.
Grabe.
Pero may sumabit. 64, oy, 1 shot.
Oo.
With 1 minute and 42 seconds.
Matagal pa yan.
2 points. Nakatayo ang mga punch partner. Miguel. Back to Miguel. Yes, sabi ito is a good point guard. Kasi dinala sa sa gitna. Yun. Kasi kapag sa gitna ka, marami kang options Casimiro. Back to Miguel for 3. Wala.
Ubus ang 24-second violation.
Score natin 64-66 in favor of Buwalan. 2 points na lang. Abantel Buwalan at Team First.
Nahanap na si Alam. Alam na naman. Binibigyan ng screen.
Yan. He's asking for isolation. Alam.
Luis!
Nako. San Luis!
Grabe! Tabla po tayo mga kaibigan.
Grabe. Counted yung partner.
What a play. What a play by Alam.
Yes. N1. Grabe ha. Right person at the right time.
Yes.
What a shot by San Luis. With 1 minute and 4 seconds. Grabe to si Alam.
Oo.
If Timbers will win, he will be the best player.
Yes, of course. Ang dami ng puntos yan.
Grabe.
Luis, ang ganda ng free throw na ni Luis. Pero wala.
Oy! Rebound by Timbers. Tingnan natin. Alam is asking for a screen. Foul. Ay, naku, offensive foul by Valdebarona. Sayang. That's an illegal screen. Illegal screen yan, partner. Grabe.
Oo. Mga Sambuangueños.
Terrible.
Ayan po, 66-66. 58.4.
Partner, hindi ako makahinga masyado Ang ganda ng laro. Akala natin third quarter. Wala na
Fourth quarter na po tayo.
13 points on, di ba?
Oo.
So, dahan-dahan lang. Yung kanta doon is slowly but gently.
Yan
diba?
na. Yan na po.
Break it to me gently.
Sino bang kumanta ng partner?
Si yata, si Sheena Easton.
Akala ko si Yoyoy Billamin.
Hindi, iba yun. Alright. So,
balik po tayo.
Back to zero.
Back to zero.
Back to zero. Tingnan natin. 58.4.
Less than 1 minute.
58.4. Bola ng Buwalan. Give it to your best player.
Casimiro.
Give it to Miguel, Casimiro. Nandun na. Or Bautista. Miguel. Wala. Oy, wala. Grabe. Alam mo doon, ang ganda ng screen ni San Luis, no?
Yes.
Tubo was not able to have that offensive rebound because of San Luis.
Pero masyadong maaga tinira ni Miguel.
Masyadong maaga yun. Masyadong maaga. Dapat muna mga 5 seconds saka siya tumira.
Pag ganito kasi partner sa dulo na, yung guts ng player diyan nagbabari yung guts mo. Diyan kasi sikat kung gusto mo pasikat.
Partner, sponsor muna tayo, partner.
Gore Salar Cuisine, Carmela the Food Shop, powered by Toddler Town Play School. Nature Spring, Councilor James Yazon. OMG, Milkshake, Milk Tea, and Coffee. R&R Ice Cream Corner, Taza Coffee Co. One Zine Advertising, Roll the Ball, BAP. Federation.
Alright.
Balik po tayo.
Partner, YN Construction, Builders Construction, Triple H Construction, Congressman Manix Dalipe and Mayor John Dalipe. Thank you very much to all of you guys. Councilor Dan Vicente, James Shason, thank you, thank you.
Yes, alam!
Wala! Oy! Tie score ha, tie score kita.
Oo.
34 seconds. Aba yan, relax lang, relax. Oy, foul.
That's a penalty.
Wala pa yata. Wala pa. Wala pa, side court.
Fouled out. Number 23 is fouled out. That's a free throw, partner.
Oh, penalty na pala. Okay, so that's penalty. Dalawang free throw kay Miguel. You know what? Yun, ang pass ng Timbers. Grabe.
Oh!
Grabe ha. Makabungol git mga bisinos ha.
Oh! Grabe ang ingay.
Oy! 2 for 2.
Partner, if I am the coach, you have to take a timeout.
Oh!
Uy, penalty na rin yan.
So both teams are in penalty. So 2 free throws for Alamo. Tingnan natin yung dalawang best player ng both teams ngayon.
Yes.
Yun ang ano eh. So yan ang dapat kung sino yung magaling doon sa ano mo. Doon ang bola dapat.
Take time, Miguel.
Yes.
Sobra yung
28.2 seconds remaining in the ball game. So what a game mga bisinos. Tapos ustedes mira, tapos ustedes uwi. Live aquí na Southern City Colleges Gymnasium. Home of the Bulldogs. Commissioner Gilbert Manuel and of course John Penoy Ibrahim at your service kahit saan man kayo. Yun, medyo maliwanag tayo, partner.
Medyo yan, alam, titingnan natin.
Tingnan natin. Diyan natin makukuha yung ano.
Pasok!
Oy! Grabe ha, grabe yung
partner, baka overtime to.
Ha? Tingnan natin. Ganda ng game. Oy! Tie score! Grabe! Tie score! 69 all!
Alam na wala bolo! Uy!
Oy!
Bola pa rin.
Bola ng buhalan.
Bola pa rin po ng
68
bola.
all. Grabing score ha. Grabe score mga bisinos. 68 all with 26.1 seconds left in the fourth quarter. Both teams are in penalty.
Yes.
22 seconds sa shot clock ng buhalan.
Wag po kayong bibitiw.
Timeout yung buhalan, partner. Our sponsors. Go ahead.
Yes, Southern City Colleges, home of the Bulldogs, Zamboanga Puri directly to the basket.
Okay.
Pag mintis man niya, may foul yan.
So meaning to say, maghanap ka ng way para makascore.
Yes.
At saka kung hindi ka makascore, may foul.
Yan.
And the ball should be in the hands of your best player.
Bigay mo yan sa best player mo.
Bautista. Pasto Casimiro.
Pero ubusin mo muna yung time. Ubusin mo muna yung time.
Tingnan mo, 16 seconds. 15 seconds in the shot clock. 2 seconds differential. Bautista. Oy! He loses the ball. Yun. Grabe. Turnover. That's a turnover. Tumama sa paa, partner. Woo! 14.8 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. Now,
tabla po tayo.
Ito ngayon. Ball now is sa Timbers.
Of course, alam mo yung hinahanap nila ngayon. Pero
so kung ikaw ang buwalan, anong gagawin mo kay Alam? Asawain mo na. Pero ang problema is nandoon si San Luis eh. If San Luis will be left unattended doon sa baba ng ring, talagang makakascore yan.
Yes.
So, Alam is a guarded man, he is a markman. So kung ako yung point guard ng Timbers, I need to look for someone else.
Pero pag si Michael Jordan, kukunin pa rin niya yan eh.
At tingnan natin. Apolinario nandyan, si Alam nandyan, Educalan nandyan, the other one, ito si
Naga.
At saka si San Luis. Hoy,
Binigyan kay
malaki
Educalan.
yun. Balde Barona.
Oo, then
Ay, nako, malak. Ah, nako. Ay, recover na ano.
San Luis
Educalan.
humihingi.
Wala.
San Luis!
Ay!
Nada!
Wala. Ay! 0.1 seconds. Wala shot by Educalan. Grabe yun. Grabe yun. Woo! Grabe yun. That's a buzzer beater. Grabe. Woo! What a shot by Educalan. Grabe yun, partner.
Wala na po akong partner
Wala na.
masasabi.
Wala na. Wala na talaga.
Sobra.
Grabe. Woo!
Ayan po mga kaibigan.
That's a Sunday treat to all of you, partner.
Oo.
Kal mga tamira ka nato na ora na kasa, you miss half of your life. If you're a basketball fan dito sa Zamboanga City, kina-Zamboanga City, you miss half of your life, mga bisinos. Very nice game. Sambuo Timbers versus Bualan. Alam mo, dahan-dahan yung pag-apas. Kasi apas sila, no? Sambuo Timbers na Bualan. Until the last second, partner.
Doon sila nakascore.
Nandoon yun. Sabi ko sa'yo, San Luis is maybe the right guy. If not San Luis, another one. So, nag-follow up si San Luis, almost went through. Tapos, nag-rebound siya, no? Si Naga, miss. Nag-rebound si Educalan, follow up. Yun ang winning basket.
That's a lucky shot.
Yes.
Oo, sa dami ng tinira nila. Anyway, congratulations sa Sambuo Timbers.
Oo.
Of course, wala rin tayo masasabi sa effort ng Bualan Tamaraws.
So Educalan will be the best player of the ball game. Galing. Although si Alam was very instrumental, but it was actually Educalan who put them, to sleep. Wala. Yun. That's the best shot. That's the biggest shot that he took in his life.
Yes.
Diba?
Hanggang sa tumanda siya, partner, madadala niya yun.
Oh, grabe yun. Recorded yun eh.
Oo.
Diba? Recorded yun. So, tingnan natin, our best player of the game is Educalan. Tingnan natin how things will wrap up. And yung courtside reporter natin is getting Educalan. Hanggang ngayon, maingay pa rin.
Oh, because of that shot, Educalan is overwhelmed by mga kaibigan niya, mga kasamahan niya. Oo. Sa kanya yung lucky shot.
Grabe.
It was a fantastic ball game.
Basta Sunday, alam mo, parang yung Ginebra at saka Magnolia Classic. Ano ba? Klasiko. Magnolia Classic, klasiko. So, yun eh. So, let's have Educalan, let's have Alam.
Marami dyan.
Marami. O, tingnan natin kung sino yung best player.
Oo.
Let's have the best player of the game, si Educalan of the Sambuo Timbers. Sana makukuha natin siya.
Para pwede natin makausap si Educalan na the lucky shot that he made for Sambuo Timbers. Eventually, umahabol sila hanggang sa
hanggang sa huli yun.
Hanggang sa huli.
Nakahabol sila.
Ayan po.
Educalan. Yung si Educalan. Yan, picture taking muna. Then later on, let's have Educalan as our best player of the game.
Yes,
grabe ang nila. Grabe yung effort, no, ng Sambuo Timbers. That's the heart of a champion. Educalan. Si Apolinario yun. No. It's not Apolinario, but Educalan. Yung best player natin si Educalan. It's not Apolinario. Educalan. Yung the last one who made the shot. That's our best player of the game. That's the biggest shot of the night. So, it's Educalan. No. Si Alam yun eh. Educalan. Educalan is our best player of the game. Educalan.
Ayan po.
Alyato, you're the best player.
Okay, pinagsama nila na partner si Apolinario at si Educalan. Oo.
All right. Mga bisinos, man-turnover gitara na courtside reporter. Talia Eldiaton, courtside reporter. And hace la entrevista con Eldiaton también na best player of the game.
Yes,
Oo, si Educalan, mga bisinos. All right. So, ready for our best player of the game.
Yes,
the one who took the gallant shot and put Bualan Tamaraws to sleep. Good night. Mga bisinos, Takial Diaton courtside reporter, si Sherry. Sherry, take it away.
Okay.
Buenas noches mga bibientes na Zamboanga. Nakikita syempre live na Southern City Colleges East Campus para CBL Season 2. Grabe el labanan del both team. Bien intense gayot el labanan. Y el mga crowd también. Ya queda wild. Pero ustedes mira, during last quarter, tan always tie el mga both teams. And araya gana gayot el Team Sambud. So akin kita pregunta kung Coach Dais. Sir, first of all, congratulations to you and to your team, sir. Coach, cosa de ustedes strategies, kaya gana de ustedes game. So, tiene ba también adjustments para na next game, sir?
Thank you so much. Kaya na kami Barangay Sambul, kay Purcausa na diamo sa sakripisyo. Kudo third quarter, abante sila ka namon 12, apiki gayot. Tapos kayo kung 10 player para mamomento, dali kwan, como tabla sila Buenas con él, pati el depensa, para ver ang matchup kay Purcausa na 16-17 na edad. Kay mga joven, tormento kita. Pero, at least, ya pwede kami, Purcausa na play. Pati na mga player, el pasensya. Thank you so much. Kap! Purcausa dito kumpiyansa. Thank you, Kap.
And also, ito ko natin, el best player of the game, si Sir Educalan with total points of 15 points, 1 assist, 4 rebounds, and 1 blocks. So, sir, cosa de ustedes motivation for winning this game?
El mga supporters kay get el crowd ka namon ang support gayot.
So, any message también for the supporters na mga viewers sa Mira Aura live na media mo?
Thank you sa mga nag-support sa Zambud, sa mama ko, papa, sa mga kapatid ko, pati kay Cap, sa sponsor, sa team ko lahat, pati yung mga classmates ko. Shout out kay... wala ko jawa.
So, okay lang, gracias and congratulations to you, sir. So, we would like to thank our sponsors, JT Sports, for sponsoring the shirts of this best player of this game. So, as you can see, Yausala shirts from JT Sports. So, CBL Season 2 and Liga del Pueblo, the Atuneste. Back to you guys.
Thank you very much, mga bisino. Sa mga Eldiaton, si Sherry, Eldiaton courtside reporter. Partner, why Educalan? Because Educalan, 15 points. The last point or the last 2 points na ginawa niya, the most important point of the game. Yung 2 points yun, yung follow-up, yun ang panalo sa kanila, no, sa Sambuot Timbers.
At saka yung mga hassle ginawa niya kanina, partner.
Grabe yun, partner. Partner, yung final analysis mo with regarding this win of Sambuot Timbers.
Anyway, anyway, congratulations to Cap Pajarito.
Nandito si Cap.
Cap Pajarito to Coach Dais, no? Sa nangyari ngayon, thank you talaga. Alam mo, yung 2 points na ginawa na yon, habang buhay dadalhin nito.
Grabe yun, grabe yun.
So maraming salamat talaga sa ginawa niya. And then, congratulations din sa Bualan. Wala na akong masasabi, partner, nakita na natin ang lahat.
Oo, so yun. Congratulations. First game, Yagana basta pa, Baliwasan, no?
Yes.
Baliwasan. Kanyonaso, congratulations, Cap Amy Cabato. And of course, second game, Yagana Kanaton, Sambud Timbers, Dicap Pajarito, Richard Pajarito. Thank you very much. Until next Saturday and Sunday, kinastin na Sambuanga Basketball League Season 2 in behalf of the CBL Committee and all the teams. Yauga ayer y dia agi kanaton. And to all the fans, mga vecinos, manuntunto siyempre kanamon hasta na otro semana. Estel ustedes Commissioner, si Commissioner Gilbert Manuel, and of course,
John Penoy Ebrahim po, inyong lingkod.
Yes, como siempre tabla kami, el CBL, el Liga del Pueblo, Diaton